Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a brake light bulb on this Honda Jazz, and the brake light bulb is situated here, just here where my finger is, so we're just going to replace that now. Okay, just gonna take the cover off with the help of flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna twist the bulb holder anti-clockwise to pull it out. It's a push fit bulb, so, and it's a double filament as well, so that's what we're gonna replace. There we go, you can hear the click, and that's that in place. We're just gonna test it now. Yeah, it's working. Right. Okay, friends, now that I've replaced the brake light bulb, I'm just gonna put the cover back on. So this side goes in first, like this, all three of them, like that, and then first clip, second clip, and the third clip. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.